I'm trying to brew it up.
Yeah, but try to push hard. If you like clench your stomach muscles. Lock us in. Oh, it stinks so bad. Between you and me, bro.
I'm just not gonna lie, I think I'm gonna follow through.
Come on!
I got a brewing, I got a poo brewing!
What?
I got a poo brewing, not a fart!
Go for it!
Now I'm gonna shit myself!
So you're probably wondering what's going on right now, guys, which I appreciate. I had an idea this morning. I'm actually a big fan of these portable speakers. I thought we could sew this into Elliot's hoodie with Carl's sewing skills. You could sew, right?
Yeah.
Carl's sewing skills. We're going to sew this into Elliot's hoodie. I'm going to connect up to my phone. We're going to play fart noises. Obviously, we had to generate some fart noises, so we made our own fart noises ourselves. And Tristan crapped himself.
Oh, twice.
That being said, wherever Elliot goes today, he's going to be known as Shitbum Giles. Sorry, bro. So are we giving away all of these iPhone 8s to people? Like, if they like the videos, are we giving them away? Or?
I think so.
Bro, you're not meant to be recording this. Like that. So Carl is now cutting an incision in the hoodie where he's going to basically put these... Well, tell us, Carl, what's going on?
I'm just gonna put this speaker inside here.
Do you think it's going to work, though?
Yeah, it's
And what's the range on this thing?
like 30 metres.
30 metres?
Lovely, it's like when I used to work in the dog kennels.
What?
I'm a veterinarian.
Huh?
Yeah.
What?
Bro, I had a life before you.
Okay, so that's going to start nicely in there. That's all nice, and then all you got to do is sew it, bro. I've never sewn in my life at all.
Because
why have you got red thread? Why couldn't you get blooming white thread?
That's all they had.
Oh, God, you donk. Okay, I'm going to have to put this hoodie up in the house, and then we'll just wait outside.
Yeah.
And just follow him.
No.
Sorry, bro. Go, 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 go.
There he is, he has no idea.
Bro, this is so crystal. Guys, the brand new iPhone 8 Plus first shot, and then... Shit. Listen. Get down, Carl. Get down. I'll play it loud. I'll play it loud. He's got...
There he is. Old Windy Giles.
Subway.
There's a few hot girls down there. This is gonna be brilliant.
You right?
He's right behind me.
What do you mean right behind you?
There. There he is, look.
Where is he? Where's he walking into? Where's he going into?
The chats and arms.
I just shouted at these things like shit.
It's been hours.
How? Since when did you get a girl with him?
Oh, I don't know. He must have been dating.
Bro, I think this is literally going to be his first kiss. Oh, gosh.
She just slapped him!
She just slapped him! Oh, fair play, it's all fun and games.
Wait. Oh no, he's doing it!
Hey, calm down.